Special thanks to our friends at Yumfun who were nice enough to send us this wireless meat thermometer. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, aren't all meat thermometers wireless? Well, they technically are, but this one is a lot cooler. So inside of here is some instruction manuals, experience book, nice, and a little description of the item here. It does include a pretty long USB-C cable for charging. Gotta love that. Normally you get like 1 foot, so I like that they give you a nice long cable. And then here is your thermometer, and that's it for the box. If we were to take this out, you can see that this is how it's wireless. So you're able to recharge this using the USB-C port here, and basically you could pop out one of these as you need it. Always insert into meat past this line to avoid damage. All right, so this little line here is where you're supposed to insert it to, but you have 2 of these. You're able to insert this into the meat and it will wirelessly send the information back to this. Does it have any charge? Nope. So we'll have to get this charged up. There is 2 of them here, as you can see. So, you could check 2 different pieces of meat at the same time. Very cool, no app needed or anything like that. They'll work up to 195 feet away from this device. So that's also pretty helpful. It is waterproof, and it also has a lightning fast response time of 1 to 3 seconds and can reach temperatures up to 662 degrees, which is pretty darn hot. So let's get this charged up and we'll actually put it in some meat and show you exactly how it works. All right, so we've charged up our Yumfun wireless thermometer. I dig the little kickstand. So we're gonna pop out, that's number 2. They're each labeled, that's number 1. So we'll pop out number 1, we'll hit our power button, and we have number 1 here flashing, probe 1. So I'm gonna hit the burger button, and then I basically can just insert probe 1 into the burger to see the temperature. I'll insert it in. So you can see it's counting up. It's up to 137 degrees, 143. And it's showing it should be 168, so it's continuing to rise. These might need a little bit more time to be well done, but we normally don't like our burgers well done. So that's essentially it. This one's 154 degrees. We could take out the other probe and do something like chicken or something like that, but very easy to use and nice and rechargeable. Thanks again to Yumfun for sending this to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.